In the field of PCBA processing, often hear OEM. What is PCBA OEM? What are its advantages? Today take you to understand it. PCBA OEM meaning refers to the provision of PCB board electronic components purchasing and PCBA processing services. In the selection of PCBA OEM, not only for customers, can reduce the purchase cost. PCBA processing plants have stable suppliers that can save production costs, eliminate a series of procurement processes, reduce labor costs, and also reduce the company's warehousing expenses, because components need to be protected in a specific environment. If you choose OEM manufacturers, you can reduce the above expenses. That said so much. How should you choose PCBA OEM manufacturers? The factory needs to proceed from its own needs and can choose the factory with advantages in experience and price. Those who need PCBA OEM can learn about it and subscribe to me.